Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I haven't done a video like one of these in quite some time, but I know a lot of you found my channel from these types of videos, and if you can't tell by the title, I'm gonna be unboxing a new bag that I am so excited. So I recently went on a trip to New York City for Christmas time. Almost every single year, me and my family loves to go to New York City. So this year, I thought I would treat my parents to a little Christmas gift. And I got my parents and I tickets to see the Radio City Rockettes, and we had a really great time in New York City. So I bought myself a little gift while we were there, and I'm really excited to share with you guys what I treated myself to. So here's what the bag looks like. It is from Chanel, and I have been wanting one of these bags without giving it away. Maybe I'll tell the story once I open the bag, so that way I don't give away too many details, because I love like seeing the surprise of the unboxing. But they have their holiday wrap right now. So it is a gorgeous black Camilla flower right here, and it has like a tweed like gold and like navy blue and like white detailing on it. It's absolutely beautiful. I'll just go close up so you guys can see. Look how pretty that is. Their holiday wrap this year is absolutely gorgeous. And then the ribbon is like the same thing. It's a really nice like thick quality ribbon, so I'll definitely be using this as like, I've seen people even wear this in their hair. It's like so pretty. So this is gonna be like a true like unboxing. Like I have not opened this bag since like I saw it in the store, like they wrapped it up for me, and I have not opened it since. So we can open this up together and see how they wrapped it and everything. So I'm gonna take apart the ribbon. I always feel like they wrap it so pretty, and I don't wanna like undo it, but can't wait to show you guys what's inside. So I went to like 3 different stores to look for this specific, like I wasn't looking for this specific one. I knew I wanted the idea of that like specific color that I picked out, but I went to Saks first, and then I went to Bergdorf's, and then this is from the Chanel, like the actual Chanel boutique, and I found the one, like I just knew that was gonna be the one that I wanted. So it was snowy that day, so they double bagged it. So they added like a bag on top to protect it from getting wet or anything, which was nice. Here's the receipt, the white Chanel little envelope. So let's see, I guess I'll just slide it off this way. We'll lift it off. There we go. Definitely gonna be keeping this bag as little decor. So cute. Okay, so inside now the second bag. So the second now is obviously just plain. Here's the box. Oh my gosh, it's wrapped so pretty. I just wanted to quickly show you guys up close before I unwrap this, as I won't be able to get it back like this. Oh my gosh, they did such a good job wrapping it. It's so cute. So let's open this up together, and we will untie it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So it has like a magnetic flat box, really nice quality, and has the tissue paper with a little Chanel sticker. Okay. Any guesses before I unbox this? Like, what color do you guys think I'm gonna get? So you could write it down below in the comment section. Which color do you think I picked out for my first like actual like leather Chanel bag? Like I have my Deauville one right back here, but like this is like my first official like bag, like leather bag. So I'm gonna take out this out of the box. It just comes with like care booklet instructions. I think I kind of got like the same thing for my Deauville tote. So I'm just gonna put those off to the side. Even the way they have the tissue paper, it's like perfect. I just always love that presentation. Okay, here we go. And oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And there it is. So I got the Chanel Classic small flat bag, and it is in the light beige color. I absolutely adore this bag. I think it is just absolutely beautiful. So a little backstory on this. I knew this year that like one of my goals was to get a Chanel bag like on my wish list. I always knew in the back of my mind in my handbag collection that I would want a classic Chanel. I just feel like that is just a quintessential Chanel bag to have in a collection. So I went into the boutiques and I knew I wanted a beige bag. I was between the boy bag and the classic, and also they pulled out a vanity bag as well, which I was like then really confused at what to do. And then also once I decided on that I wanted the classic flap as like my first bag, I feel like it's great to get a classic just as your first like leather bag. But then I was like in between sizes, so I was looking at the small, the medium, and the jumbo at one point. And I knocked out the jumbo because it kind of was a little bit larger in size. As far as, it reminded me of my like Saint Laurent bag, my Lulu bag. And I was like, okay, it's kind of similar because they're both beige and they're both larger. So I was like, I don't need another like large beige bag. So I was in between the small and the medium. And I think the sales associate told me, he's like, it's literally just 1 inch of difference in like width this way. So like it was like 1 more inch. It was like hardly any difference. So I just decided on this small because I think it just was really nice for my frame, but the medium was beautiful too. They had this same exact bag at the Chanel like Fifth Ave store. It was, yeah, in the medium size as well. But he told me that small sizes in these kinds of bags are like more rare. They don't make as many small as they do medium. So anyways, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour on the bag. Let's open this up. Okay, so you have the double chain strap here. So you could wear it over your shoulder like this. You could wear it on the crook of your arm like that, or you could wear it on your shoulder long ways like that. So there's so many different ways to wear it. On my frame, it doesn't really work. None of the bags really, I didn't love any of the classic bags on me crossbody. But I mean, I guess if I'm in a situation where I just want something like, you know, closer to me, crossbody, you could still do it. It's just not on my like height. It's not as flattering for me. But as I said, yeah, this is the double flap bag. So this is in the caviar as well. And so when you open up, it has the Chanel logo. It's like the snap closure here. And it does have room for something back here. And then inside it has room for all the essentials. So if you guys want to see what's in my bag, definitely hit that like button down below. And if you guys want to see it, I'll share like a what's in my bag and like a mini review on this. But I am so excited about this bag. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. It even has like this little front pocket here too if you want to put like your phone or some like receipts or something. And it even has this little back pocket there too. Oh, there's like the price tag. Yeah, so this is the light beige champagne gold. So it's absolutely beautiful. In some lights, it even almost comes off as just like a cream color, which I love because it'll just go with literally everything, like what I'm wearing right now. Like I wear a lot of blush pink and just like neutrals. So I think this will just be the right way to go as like one of my first bags. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. And yeah, if you guys have any tips, if you have a Chanel classic flop yourself, if you have any tips to provide me on like keeping this in good condition, definitely send them my way because I would love to hear, because this is like, as I said, my first classic flop. So I would love to hear your thoughts on it. And definitely let me know like what is your dream handbag. Let me know that in the comment section below. I did see a vanity bag that was absolutely beautiful too from Chanel, and if any of you have that bag, let me know how you like it. Let me know how you like the vanity bag because that will be going on my wish list for the future. But yeah, for now, I'm just cannot wait to like use this, really enjoy it. So I'm gonna end today's video here. If you are new here, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button on the way out. I love making lots of fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on my channel, so I'd love it if you can join in on my channel. And as I said, give this video a like if you enjoy these types of videos so I know to make more in the future. I am gonna end today's video here, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.